हाय फ्रेंड्स, हमारे पास में जो छत है उस पे इतने सारे जो बर्ड्स आए हैं, स्पेशली पैरट्स एंड pigeons. I'll try to zoom it and then to show you. Uh, so I'm trying to zooming in. I hope you can see the pigeons here. Looks so serene, so awesome. और ये शाम का मौसम है. You can see the clouds mixed white and blue, and here also you see a few pigeons. So yeah, that's awesome. I know it's a pigeon. I've seen it for the first time. I'm excited. I hope you be happy watching this video. Little bit of small video I'm showing you it. Okay guys, have a great rest of your day. Take care. Yeah, thank you.